Want to send messages with the invisible ink effect on iPhone? Here's how to do it. Open the Messages app. Start a new conversation or open an existing chat. Type your message in the text box. Now press and hold the blue send arrow. Do not just tap it. A Send with Effect menu will appear. Tap the Invisible Ink option. Then tap the send arrow. Your message will be sent with the invisible ink effect. The text will appear blurred on the recipient's screen. They can reveal it by tapping or swiping over the message. This only works with iMessage. Both users must have iMessage enabled, and that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.